Today, I'm going to show you how to write articles on Medium with ChatGPT, step by step, in a way that's fast, practical, and beginner-friendly. If you've ever wanted to publish better articles without staring at a blank page, this method can help you go from an idea to a polished Medium post much faster. And before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI and writing tutorials like this. Let's start with the first step, which is choosing your topic and asking ChatGPT the right way. Open ChatGPT and think about the kind of Medium article you want to write. It could be productivity, freelancing, personal growth, AI tools, business tips, or really any topic that fits your niche. The key here is to give ChatGPT a clear prompt, not just a vague idea. For example, instead of saying, write something about productivity, you could say, write a Medium article on productivity tips with headings and examples. That gives ChatGPT direction, structure, and context. The better your prompt, the better your result. So if you want a more useful article, be specific about the audience, tone, and format. You can ask for a friendly tone, a professional tone, or a more conversational style, depending on how you want your Medium article to feel. You can also mention your target reader, like beginners, entrepreneurs, students, or content creators. This helps ChatGPT generate writing that sounds more relevant and more natural. Now let's move to step 2, which is adding structure and style. This is where many people improve their article instantly. Instead of asking for only a basic draft, ask ChatGPT to organize the article properly. You can request a catchy title, an introduction, main headings, subheadings, and a conclusion. If you want it to feel more polished, ask for H2 and H3 headings so the article is easy to read and looks professional on Medium. Structure matters a lot because readers usually scan before they read. A clear heading-based layout makes your article more engaging and more likely to hold attention. You can tell ChatGPT to format the article in a blog style, make the sections clear, and include practical examples under each heading. That way, you're not just getting a block of text, you're getting a real article framework that already feels ready for publishing. If you want even better results, you can also ask ChatGPT to write in a specific voice. For example, you might ask for an informative and encouraging tone, or a simple and actionable style. This is especially useful if you want your Medium article to sound more like you, and less like generic AI text. The more detail you give, the more useful the draft becomes. Next comes step 3, which is editing and personalizing the article. This part is extremely important. Even if ChatGPT gives you a great draft, you should not copy it directly and publish it as is. Instead, take the article and make it your own. Add your personal thoughts, real experiences, and examples from your own life or work. This improves originality and also makes the article feel authentic to readers. When you personalize your content, it becomes more trustworthy and more interesting. Readers on Medium often respond well to stories, opinions, and lessons that feel human. So if ChatGPT gives you a general tip, expand on it with your own perspective. If it gives you an example, replace it with a real example from your niche if possible. Even small edits can make a big difference in the quality of the final article. You can also improve the opening paragraph, tighten the conclusion, and make the language sound more like your own voice. Think of ChatGPT as your writing assistant, not your final publisher. It helps you create the draft faster, but your edits are what make the article stand out. This is one of the easiest ways to keep your content original while still saving a lot of time. Now for step 4, publishing on Medium. Once your article is edited and ready, copy the final version and paste it into Medium. Add your title at the top, then check the formatting carefully so the headings, paragraphs, and spacing look clean. Medium makes it easy to style your post, so take a minute to make sure everything is readable and organized. After that, add relevant tags. Tags help Medium understand what your article is about and can improve discoverability. Choose tags that match your topic closely and don't overthink it. Then add a cover image if you want your post to look more polished and attractive in the feed. A good cover image can make your article feel more professional and can help catch attention before someone even opens it. Finally, click Publish, and that's it. You've just learned how to write articles on Medium with ChatGPT from start to finish. The process is simple. Choose your topic, ask ChatGPT for a structured draft, personalize the content, then publish it on Medium with your title, tags, and cover image. Once you do this a few times, it becomes much faster and easier, and you'll be able to create better articles in less time. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step AI and writing videos. And if you want, I can also show you how to create a perfect ChatGPT prompt for Medium articles, how to rewrite AI content to sound human, or how to optimize your Medium post for more views. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.